Woo! Everybody give it up for our beautiful first prize winner. Black velvet bag. You know, after you win first prize, there's only one place to go.
All right. Well, there's all kinds of stories. This is one about leaving home for a very long time. But it starts in a neat little town. In a neat little town they called Belfast, apprentice to trade I was bound. And many hours of sweet happiness I spent in that neat little town, till a sad misfortune came on me, which caused me to stray from the land, far away from my friends and relations, betrayed by the black velvet band. Her eyes, they shone like diamonds, I thought her the queen of the land, and her hair hung over her shoulder, tied up with a black velvet band.
Okay, so you guys have a part. Her eyes, they shone like diamonds. I thought she's the queen of the land, and she was. Can you go do that? I thought her the queen of the land, and she was. Good job.
I took a stroll with this pretty fair lady, and a gentleman passing us by. Oh, I knew she meant the undoing of me, by the look in her roguish black eye. A gold watch she took from his pocket, and she placed it right into me hand. And the very next thing that I thought there was bad luck to the black velvet band. Her eyes, they shone like diamonds, I thought her the queen of the land,
And she was.
and her hair hung over her shoulder, tied up with a black velvet band. Alright, you almost got it that time. Now before a judge and jury, next morning I had to appear. For the judge, he said to me, young man, your case is proven clear. We'll give you 7 years penal servitude, to be spent far away from the land, far away from your friends and relations, betrayed by the black velvet band. Her eyes, they shone like diamonds, I thought her the queen of the land,
And she was.
and her hair hung over her shoulder, tied up with a black velvet band. Her eyes, they shone like diamonds, I thought her the queen of the land,
And she was.
and her hair hung over her shoulder, tied up with a black velvet band. So come all you jolly young fellows, and a warning take heed by me, for when you're out on the town, me lads,